What if I told you your home office could run itself while you focus on what actually matters? No more endless scheduling, noisy Zoom calls, or messy task lists. AI isn't just for tech nerds anymore. It's here. And it's about to rebuild your workspace from the ground up. Let me show you how. Hey, what's up, creators, entrepreneurs, and remote warriors? I'm George, and this channel is where we blend smart tech with smarter work. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can turn your regular home office setup into a futuristic productivity machine. This isn't theory. These are real tools I use and recommend, and by the end, you'll have a complete AI-powered setup ready to plug in. Let's jump straight in. Let me ask you something real quick. Do your workdays ever feel like this? You're drowning in emails, you're bouncing between meetings, you've got to-do lists scattered across 5 different apps, and by the end of the day, you've done everything except your most important work. Yeah, we've all been there. The problem isn't you. It's the way we work. Your home office might have a good chair and dual monitors, but without intelligent systems behind it, it's just a fancier version of chaos. But AI changes all that. Let's start rebuilding your setup, one smart tool at a time. Let's begin with the core, your AI virtual assistant. I'm talking about ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or Google Gemini. These aren't just chatbots. These are your digital coworkers. Need to draft an email? Boom! It's done. Want a 10-slide pitch deck by the afternoon? Just type, "Create a pitch deck for my AI course targeting remote workers." And it's done in minutes. You can literally ask, "Summarize my last 10 client emails and draft replies, highlight any urgent requests." And watch the assistant do what used to take you 30 minutes in 30 seconds. My favorite trick, I say, plan a focused workday for me based on my meetings. It auto-generates a schedule that actually works. Pair it with Notion AI or ClickUp AI, and now you have your own operations manager. These tools can create tasks, suggest workflows, and even summarize team chats or documents. You're not just saving time, you're saving mental energy. If you've ever tried to plan your workday manually, you know how it goes. You intend to work on that project. But then 3 calls pop up, a client emails, and suddenly, it's 5 p.m. That's where Motion or Reclaim.ai come in. These tools are like having a personal assistant who lives in your calendar. They reschedule tasks around your meetings. They automatically block out focus time based on your habits. They even prioritize your to-dos based on deadlines and your working hours. Example, you enter 5 tasks. You say you have 2 meetings today. Motion will rearrange your day so that your most urgent task gets done first, without you touching a calendar. This is smart time management on autopilot. And when you get that time back, you can actually do your real work. Let's step away from software for a second. What if your physical office responded to your mood? Using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, you can set up voice-controlled automations that boost your focus. Say this, "Alexa, start focus mode." And instantly, the lights dim to warm white. Lo-fi beats start playing, your phone goes into do not disturb, and your smart coffee warmer turns on. You can also say, "Start meeting mode." Lights turn neutral. Your webcam and mic auto-adjust. Your smart display pulls up your Zoom link. This isn't luxury, it's productivity design. You're building an environment that responds to you. With tools like Philips Hue, Govee, or SwitchBot, even your lighting adjusts to match your focus levels. Bonus tip. Use AI tools like Routines by Alexa or IFTTT to trigger custom workflows. Okay, let's talk about something we all hate. Noisy Zoom calls, awkward silences. Forgetting what someone just said 2 minutes ago, AI can fix all of that. Start with Crisp AI. It removes all background noise from your mic in real time. Crying baby? Gone. Traffic? Gone. Loud AC? Gone. Next, use Fireflies.ai or Otter.ai. These tools join your calls, transcribe the conversation, and give you a summary and action points afterwards. You'll never have to say, "Wait, what was the deadline again?" It's already written down for you, with timestamps. Pro move, sync Fireflies to your Google Calendar. It joins your calls automatically, records them, and sends notes to your inbox or Notion. You can also enhance your camera presence with NVIDIA Broadcast or OBS AI plugins, blur the background, auto-frame your face, and even keep eye contact with AI gaze correction. You're not just attending meetings anymore, you're owning them. Most people have 5 apps to track one task. AI lets you merge everything. Tools like Notion AI, ClickUp AI, and Taskade are now intelligent enough to suggest next steps after you finish a task. Generate subtasks automatically. Prioritize items based on urgency or project deadlines. Imagine this, you finish your client's website mock-up. ClickUp AI says, "Next step, send a feedback form. Would you like me to draft one and schedule an email?" That's what we're talking about here. No more cognitive overload. AI turns your workspace into a proactive partner. You stop managing your tasks and start executing them. For those of you creating content, writing proposals, or designing decks, AI is your creative partner. You can use ChatGPT for script writing, Tome AI for stunning AI-generated presentations, Gamma.app for visual storytelling, Canva Magic for design help. Let's say you're pitching a client. Instead of spending 5 hours in PowerPoint, just tell Gamma, create a 10-slide deck explaining how my company uses AI to improve workflow. Done. Or if you're a content creator, just tell ChatGPT, write a 60-second script for a YouTube short explaining smart home automation with AI. Instant idea, instant draft. You just tweak and post. AI reduces the friction between idea and execution. Let's not forget about your well-being. Tools like Rescue Time and Toggle Track with AI integrations show you where your time goes and suggest smarter ways to work. Example, you spend 3 hours a day switching between tabs. Rescue Time says, you're most productive between 9 and 11 a.m. Want to schedule your hardest tasks then? It's like a fitness tracker, but for your brain. Use Oura Ring or Withings smart devices to track sleep, movement, and stress, and let AI adjust your schedule accordingly. Your office shouldn't just make you productive, it should make you healthy. Here's where the magic happens. When you connect all these tools together, your AI assistant handles your emails and tasks, your calendar auto-reschedules your day, your lights and sounds adjust based on your mode, your meetings get recorded and summarized, your content gets generated, and your body and mind are looked after with personalized insights. This isn't just productivity, it's a system, a self-learning, self-adjusting, AI-powered command center, inside your own home. Alright, if this helped you rethink your workspace, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of these AI tools are you already using? Which one are you going to try first? If you want links to all the tools I mentioned, hit that like button. I'll release them when we arrive 100 likes. And if you're serious about upgrading your productivity, check out my next video right here. It's all about how to automate your side hustle with AI. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to work harder, just work smarter. Let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on the stuff that actually moves the needle. Catch you in the next one.